prominent member of the police force of St. Martin was suspended on Monday morning by the police department. It is believed that the officer Van Hanegem is employed at the CID department and is the face of the recruitment drive for the police. The poster with the officer in question is erected in front of the police station. According to our sources, the officer brutally mistreated a former girlfriend with his firearm. The officer's ex-girlfriend broke off the relationship after she was being mistreated by the officer. Officer Van Hanegem then started to stalk and harass his ex-girlfriend until she went to the police department to file an official complaint with Internal Affairs. Over the weekend, the department investigated the case and found it proven that the officer did indeed stalk and abuse his authority as a police officer in the relationship. It is understood that this is not the first time the officer in question has been named as an abuser. The police department is staying silent about the issue. However, police spokesman Ricardo Henson told St. Martin Newsroom that the officer in question was suspended pending further investigation. St. Martin Newsroom will continue to monitor this developing story.
On April 29th, Montage brings you Sabor Latino 2 live at the Festival Village, featuring Alex Matos, Raulín Rodríguez, and El Majimbe, Fernandito Villalona.
Tickets $40 in advance, $50 at the gate.
Tickets available at Shop for Less, SOS Radio, and Van Dorp Bookstore. Sabor Latino 2.